Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I am back with a new update for the Crawlomatic plugin. I made it faster in case in which you are using it to crawl multiple pages of the same website. So for example, if you have a website like this which has multiple articles on the front page and you have pagination for it, and you use the plugin to automatically paginate results and get results from the next page each time it runs, then I made it much more faster for you. So the latest update will remember which was the last page that the plugin crawled, and the next time it runs it will continue from the last URL that it crawled. Until now, the plugin functioned like this, which was at least to say optimal. So each time it started crawling, it started from the first page, from the seed page you entered in it, and checked the first page, checked all posts from the first page. It saw that it already posted each, and went to the second page, checked and saw that each post from there was already posted, and so on, third, fourth, fifth. But starting from now, the plugin remembers the last page which it crawled. So let's say it was last time on page 4, and it remembers that I am now on page 4 of this page if you check a checkbox in its settings, and afterwards it will continue from page 4 and it will eventually stop on page 5, and on the next time it will start from page 5 because it remembers. So let me show you this in action. Let us use this blog for the seed page. So we import content from this page. Let me import 10 posts at a run because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's import 8 in this case, just to import each and every from this page, plus 1 from the second page. Okay, so I import 8 posts, and let me configure some advanced settings for the plugin. This is what we need to configure. So the seed page crawling query type, this defines how should the post be interpreted from the front page. So we should select the title of the one post from the front page. So we select the title of one post. Like this, the plugin will know that that it should check this post first, afterwards it should go to this post and crawl it, afterwards to this post and crawl it, and so on. Okay, and now let's enter also the seed page pagination query type. This can be also visual selector, and in this case we should scroll down to the bottom and simply select this, because this is the next page button on this page. So if you have a next page button, you should select this. It already entered automatically its ID, so it's all good. And now I have to also set the title query type, because on this specific page the title auto detection is not working so well because of some mistakes in the HTML of this page. However, we can enter the class, for example, of the title, so the plugin will know how to use it. So like this. For the content auto detection, we can leave it on auto detect, and we are good to go. So I will run the pagination now. So this is the new checkbox that was added in the latest update for the plugin. Remember last page URL. So if you want to enable the remembering feature of the plugin, you have to check this also and save settings. So now we have the plugin set up to start crawling. So let's check activity and logging, and let's clear logs because these are logs from all the runnings, and let's refresh our site. Nothing here. And now let's start and import new posts. So now the plugin will run and start importing new content to our site from the source website. And if we refresh the page, we have here the many posts that it imported. And if we check also the logs, here are the posts that it crawled. And now if we run importing again, now it should go to page 2 of results. So let's see what will happen. And after it goes to page 2 from here, so it will go to page 2. Afterwards, it will also remember the page where it was. So as you can see, these are already, so if we click on next, these are here on page 2 of results. And if we refresh the activity and logging section, we will see these kind of messages. Saving URL for next time crawling. And this is the URL of the second pages. So this is the second page URL. And this will be saved for the next time it runs. And if we run importing again, the plugin does not start from this URL, but it starts from this URL because it remembered that it will need to start from the page it stopped the last time it ran. So keep in mind, if you want to disable this feature, simply go and uncheck this checkbox. So remember last page URL, uncheck it, and the plugin will crawl once again the seed page. Okay, so the third time it ran, we have other posts here, and if we refresh the logs, we will see this kind of messages also now. Loading URL from saved data, continue crawling, and the URL that we saved from here. And also here we will see that the plugin now saved the third page URL. So this is the third results pages from the blog, and the fourth time it will run, it will continue running from this URL. Okay, so this is all. This will improve greatly the performance of the guys who use Crawlomatic and use pagination. So if you use this feature, seed page pagination query type and seed page pagination query string, then you will greatly benefit from the remember last page URL feature that was added in the latest plugin version. Okay, so this is all for this video. I will link in this video's description the link where you will find Crawlomatic, so please check it out if you haven't heard of it until now. And yeah, don't forget also to subscribe to this channel. I release daily videos at 8 p.m. GMT, and I hope you will enjoy my content. Until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.